What's up? Welcome to Treasure Hunters Learning. In this video, we have a special guest. Let's welcome Bansi. And in this video, we are doing paper airplanes. So, I'm teaching Bansi and we both are gonna try how to make paper airplanes and how it's gonna work. So, let's get started.
Wow.
Okay. So, guys, the only thing which you need is paper. So Bansi, you can have that paper. Now what you're gonna do is that fold your paper into half. Bansi is my friend. I forgot to mention. She's one of my good friends, like my best friend. So that's like just fold it into a half. Yeah. Okay, we have a half. The next thing which you're gonna do is open it. And now what you're gonna do is basically make like something like a house, but not a house. Just like that, you know? Okay, you got that. That's great. Wait, did you say hi to all?
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, so that's our house right there, I think. And the next thing that you have to do is just give it a little.
I need some help, please.
Oh yeah. So okay, just do this. Just do this. Something like this, equally. Okay. Okay. There. So we have something like that. It looks alike. And now do the same thing to the other side. Do the same thing to the other side. There. Okay? See, they have to be equal. That's the main thing. Okay, they're equal. They're equal. Okay, my hand's messy. Oof. Good presentation. Okay, so the next thing which you have to do is just do this. Like turn it over. Just turn it over. Turn it over. Oh wait.
Like
Just
this?
turn it over. Yeah, you kind of got it. Yeah. You're good. Now what you're gonna do? So just like that, it has to be turned over, but not done yet. But it looks like yes, it's done. But no, just one more step, guys. Last step which you're supposed to do is just give it a fold. Okay, give me that. Now what you're supposed to do is give it a tiny fold like that. Just like that. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, you kind of got it, but yeah. Just like that. Oh, just like that. Oh. I have to fold away. When does this just pop out? Okay, fine. Okay, there you have one side and now we need the other side. And flip it over and you have your paper airplane here. That's your paper airplane. Oh wait, can you just do the whole thing again because it's better if you do. Guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is Bansi's aeroplane. I helped her make hers and I'm just done. So you're supposed to give a half fold. Basically here. And that's about it for our paper aeroplanes. We'll post a video where we are gonna be flying our paper aeroplanes and you will see a decorated version. See you guys. Bye.